What's up guys? So my model bailed last minute, like literally last minute. So I am not wasting this opportunity because it's very hard to book these courts. So throw on a nice shirt and I'm gonna see if we can get some shots. Just leaving Southern Park now, so yeah, managed to do a shoot by myself, which I don't really like doing. Anytime I need to use a tripod, I'm just not a huge fan of it. Like, you just can't get the shots you want, you can't get the angles you want. But I don't like wasting opportunities, and I got some really good pictures for myself, so we'll see how they turn out.